Using Excel, I will show you how to deal with uneven cash flow. I will construct a table here, cash flow, required rate of return or discount rate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cash flow, $3, 8, 14, 20, 43. Discount rate, 4.31%, 4.31%, 4.31%, 4.31%. Here we go. Now, let's figure out discount cash flow. Discount cash flow. First, cash flow divided by 1 plus discount rate. Discount period will be 1. Okay? Alright, now drag. You will get discount cash flow automatically. Now, sum of this 5 number will be your stock value today. Okay? Here we go.